Good morning everyone. How are you all? Good? Fine? I'm also good beta. This is your mathematics class and I'm your mathematics teacher. Beta, as we are going through chapter 3 Roman numerals and we have done activity 1. So today we will do mental maths corner and review exercise of chapter 3 Roman numerals. So come, let's begin the class. Kids, this is our mental maths corner. So let's start. First question is saying take the correct answer. Means A, B and C are MCQs. Options are given to us. We need to take the correct answer. First question is Roman numeral for 50 is. Yes, now tell me what is the symbol for 50 in Roman numerals. Is it X? Is it L, X or C? Yes, it is L. So we will take here. Second is XXII represents. How we will calculate? X is 10, X is 10, 10 plus 10, 20, I is 1, I is 1. 1, 1, 2, 20 plus 2, 22. So we will take at 22. Now 39 is written as. How 39 can be written? X, X, X. See, first is V, I know. Here, we 4 symbols of I are there and we know that we cannot repeat I and X more than 3 times. So, it is wrong. Now, X, 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 30 and IX. Yes, IX is 9. So, this is 39. So, we will take it. Now second question is asking to complete the table. See beta, 2 columns are there. One is for Roman numeral, one is for Hindu-Arabic numeral. Where Roman numeral is written, you need to write its Hindu-Arabic. Where Hindu-Arabic is written, you need to write its Roman numeral. Now IX. What is IX? Again, I is on the left hand side of X and I is smaller when smaller symbol is on the left hand side of the greater symbol. So it gets subtracted. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9. So it will be 9. Now in B part, X, V, I. X means 10, V means 5, I means 2. So 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So here we will write 17. In the same manner beta, you will complete C, D, E, F, G, H part of question 2 yourself. Yes beta, now this is the review exercise. Compare and use. See beta, signs are given to us and we need to fill these sentences in the given questions. Now we know this is the greater than sign, this is the smaller than sign and this is the equals to sign. So we need to compare these Roman symbols and then we need to fill these signs. Now in first part beta, it is VI and IV. See, VI means 6 because smaller symbol is on the right hand side and IV means 4 because smaller symbol on the left hand side. So 6 is bigger than 4. So we will put sign of greater than for 6. Now in B part, XXII. 10 plus 10 plus 2, 22 and it is XII. It is 12. So 22 is greater than 12. So we will put a sign for 22. Now beta C, D, E and F part you need to do yourself. Now come to second question. Question second beta, we need to answer these. Write the answers in Roman numerals. See, VI is 6 plus again VI is 6. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. And how we can write 12 in Roman numerals? Yes, it is XII. Now next is X plus dash. And answer is XVI, which is 16. So what do we need to add in X? Means 10 to get 16. Yes, it is 6. And how we write 6 in Roman? VI. So here we will write VI. Now next is V plus VII. Now V means 5 and VII means 7. Again 5 plus 7 is 12. So we will write here 12. Now in D part beta, it is x and x is 20 plus I is 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. So here we will write x, I, which is 23. Now beta E, F, G, H, I and J part you will do yourself of question number 2. Now beta one more question is there, hordes. The symbol L is used to represent the number 50. Yes beta, we know that L symbol is used to represent the number 50. Write the following numbers in Roman numerals using L. Now we will write the following numbers using L. Now see beta, again the smaller symbol is on the left hand side of the greater symbol, so it is being subtracted. XL is 40. Now for 55, yes, 50, what is the symbol of 50? L. And what will be the symbol for 5? V. So LV will be 55. Now 44. Beta 40 is given to us, 40 is XL. So for 40 we will write XL, and what is for IV? So we will write here IV. Now in D part 60. See beta, L is 50. So first we will write 50, then we will add 10 to it. And 10 is X, so LX will be 60. Now for 67, L is for 50, X. Now L and X is 60. For 7 we will write VII. So this is 67. Now for 69, first of all we need to write L, then X, L and X 60. Now 9 is IX. So we will write here IX. That means LXILX is 69. Now beta for 71, L is 50. X came to it, it becomes 60. Now one more X will come, it will become 70, and for 1 it will be I. So yes, it is 71. Now in the same manner beta, do H, I and J part yourself. Dear kids, today we have completed Mental Maths Corner and review exercise of chapter 3 Roman numerals. So your homework is to complete them in your book, and please be safe and fine at your places. Goodbye.